Raj, and that is Family Fair here on Saturday Morning Breakfast on Shannon Side Northern Sound. Can you wish Peter happy birthday? We're very glad to do that. Peter, I hope you have a wonderful day. You are celebrating your birthday today with Jonathan Rhys Myers, Irish actor and model, best known for his roles in films such as Mission Impossible, and like Becca, Match Point, and roles in television series as Elvis Presley in the Ministry of Justice, which earned him a Golden Globe, even get it right, Declan. He is with you today, and also celebrating birthday today. He is a singer. He appeared in the first series of he came third in 2008. He's celebrating his 27th birthday. I believe it's 2008 since I saw Owen Quick on X Factor. Watch that program. Anyway, Music Claire on the way next.
If you're over 50, you might Lord Central Vision. The good news is you can pay for it. Mackie Prime Plus is a daily supplement for healthy eyes, the original scent, proven ingredients and formula, by the Nutrition Research Centre Ireland at Waterford IT. Mackie Prime Plus delivers the zinc needed to maintain normal vision, plus flavonoids and vitamins. So look ahead. Ask your pharmacist or optician about Mackie Prime Plus and help look after your health today. Always read the label.
Taste of Cavan 2019 takes place on the 10th of August at Cavan Aquarium. Fun and frolics for the whole family. See demos from chefs Neville Maguire, Gerard Lynch, and Simon Sweeney, and more. Plus beer for 2009, Taste of Cavan Fashion Show, and Health and Wellness Village. tasteofcavan.ie.
Something about Sligo. That's why we keep going back. Yes, JF and Friends returns to the Radisson Hotel from the 3rd to the 5th of November. 3 days and nights of fantastic fun and entertainment with Patrick Feeney, Brendan Shine, Declan Nerney, Conal Gallen, Kieran Rosney, John Malloy, Sean Brennan and Limelight. Call the Radisson Hotel today on 071 91 40008. See you on the Wild Atlantic Way this November.
Unnecessary on hills when stopped for any length of time at traffic lights, in traffic or at stop signs.
The safe driving tips. Performance tires. Be one with us. Hand-cooked tires. Of Real Madrid.
In Cavan, Hall or Willie at Tractor Motors, stockists of hand-cooked performance tires. In Monaghan, Francie and the stockists of hand-cooked performance tires.
Good morning, it's 9 o'clock. 2 people have died and several others were injured after the upper floor of a car